Hey guys, it's Maymay and welcome back to Top Tips, and today's top tip is the pattern versus solid debate. Please ignore the red ink on my hand. That is not blood. I was re-inking something with some red ink and now it's on me. Here's the situation. You probably have heard Vince and I go back and forth a little bit about, no, that's a pattern, no, that's a solid, etc., etc. Here's what I'm talking about, okay? This is a perfect example. I needed blue for a sky, I needed green for the grass, and I needed a creamy color for a cloud. Instead of just picking solid blue and solid green and solid cream, I went with a pattern, and you still get the same look, but it amps your card up just slightly. So many of you say to me, how do I give my cards that extra edge that I see that other people have? In my opinion, this is a way to do it. There's lots of ways, but this is one way. Using that extra little touch of going, that is so cool. Like, most people look at your card and go, I would have never thought to use gingham sky, gingham grass, and gingham clouds. But it works in this instance. Now, I know this does not work for everyone. I know many of you are like Vince, and patterns can be your nemesis. He is very anti-patterns, and I know there's other folks out there, and guess what? That's the beauty of crafting. You get to do you. I personally think this is adorable, and I love for everything I have to be like this, patterny. Also, this is not really my idea. This comes from a home decorating idea I learned years ago from someone named Christopher Lowell. And most of you guys will know Christopher. He had a show on HGTV and we all loved him. And one of the things he would say is, when you want to mix patterns and solids, when you step back from something you have that is patterned and you squint, the color you see the most in your squint is the color that you need to consider that item. So for example, if you had a couch or a bedspread that was multi-patterned or had a multi-looking pattern on it, when you squint, the color you see the most is how you should place it. So if you squint, you see green, then you need to place that as a green item, if that makes sense. And I know to some of you it won't make sense, and I know to some of you it won't even matter, because some of you guys can really, really go crazy with patterns and some need not to. It's fine. You do you in crafting. There's a place for every style. I just wanted to point out patterns versus solids. So whenever I'm messing with Vince and I say, is this a pattern or a solid? He knows what I mean. Yes, it's a pattern, but I'm going to use it as a solid. There you go, guys. That's my top tip for today. Also, if you didn't see this cute little guy, this is the new Stamp of the Month Club stamp set. It's called Tailgating. It's adorable. You need to pick it up. It's precious. All right, guys. Talk to you again next time. Bye-bye.